Hi, welcome to my third video about how to look after the children during the pandemic and especially the lockdown period. In my second video, I told a very major point that you have to tell your life story to your children and your wife's life story, your wife's parents and their family, and your parents and your family. If possible, you make a big notebook in that at least now start write about your family history. Since your memory is alive, you write. And daily incident, yearly incident. If daily incident, of course, it is very difficult to write. You can write about your whatever the incident taking place the entire year. If you maintain like that, that book become your family history book. Till you, by seeing you, your children will keep doing that. It should be a bigger notebook. It will tell the whole parambara of your family. Fine. Now, today I'm going to tell, in addition to the same your story and all, I am now the one more the interesting and very good method to keep your children engaged is any stories, any incident. Mind it, no incident you tell them as a superstitions. So all these illiterate people talk something fishy and there is no meaning, no logic. If they ask why this thing is happening, nobody knows. That's why better tell the stories which is having the logic and the moral. Without moral, don't tell any story. This is what I always insist you. And in my previous video also I told you telling story is not easy. It needs a special skill. It's an art. So you parents must learn stories, different and interesting variety of stories. Then only you can tell your children. Then coming to the traditional game. Traditional game, of course, if you do not know, leave it. Otherwise, you better insist on it and concentrate on it and tell your children. Fine. Children, now see, this is this lockdown period is a golden period because you are with the family throughout. When you are going to office, you get oddly some time to devote with your with your children and your wife. Now, the entire day you will be there with your children. So this is the right time. Tell all your good qualities to your children. Okay. And my another sincere request to the lady of the house, that is mother. Mother should, now this is the right time, again golden time for you. You must prepare a special dishes, whatever the cooking you just keep doing it. Keep making a trial. This is the right time. Whatever you do and feed to your children, they will enjoy it. And as a result, you will become the best cook. Okay. Then when you people are, you and your wife talking something strong, something hot and heat of the talking, some bad words, some unparliamentary words may come out. But it should not be like that. However, better you ask your children to go to their rooms. Then you, wife and husband, both discuss and come to compromise. Then only your children see you, and they, in their future, they will not quarrel each other. And sometime you are talking to your friend over the phone, About third person, the third person is not good for you and your friend. Both are just scolding him. Of course, there will be some improper words come out. That time also better ask your children to go to their room. Whatever you do now, whatever you speak now, that everything will be registered in your children's mind invariably, without asking, without knowing them. That's why better don't give this opportunity to your children. And see, earlier also I mentioned, your children want to score more number in their studies. That thing won't serve in their real life. That also I told you. Except 10%, 20%, other remaining people, the highly scoring people, I'm seeing and you are also seen. So that's why unless your children are all-rounder, their awareness is unlimited, they are good human being, their the overall personality is excellent, then only they can survive in the world in a better, with a better position. Now, children, they since they are confined into four walls, they get bored and they become bored after playing some game, whatever you are telling. So they may go for playing with their own ideas. They do something with their own ideas. They play with some that kind of equipment at home, like sometime computer, sometime mixie, grinder kind of thing. Don't worry, don't stop them. Allow them to do that. The more they play, the more they inspect the things, they get more knowledge. More knowledge means here it's a IQ level. People say up to 13 years of age, the IQ level develops. Beyond 13 years, IQ level will not develop. Whatever the development taken place up to 13 years, that stops there. So IQ is very, very important to each and everybody. That's why now in this age, whatever they do, that will be much better for their future. And your children, they may be weak in one or other thing. Don't highlight it. Don't bring it. Don't frequently mention it, even directly or indirectly. You tell them, you are best, you are best, you can do this. Why not? You are doing so good here. Why not you do it? You can do it. Practice it. You be with them. And earlier also I told you, don't sit on your chair and lie on the bed and instruct your children, go and do this and that. No. If they will do whatever you do. They will talk whatever you talk. That's why all these good deeds, all these activities, you have to be in the front line. Then only they will do it. Again, the storytelling, I just want to insist it because it's my own experience. Whatever the general story, other than your life story, the life story can be part and partial every day, lead for some time. Then general story from general events in our historical events in our nation, the world, from Mahabharata and Vikramaditya, and there are so many books. Where you young lot may not be knowing so much, you better search the Google, you will get. And from that, you take out the story, and when the story you told, then ask your children, what is the logic, what is the what is that called, the moral of the story. You ask them only. You just give them time, how much time, whether they are coming out with correct or wrong. Whatever they say, yes, you say no. Don't say no. You say yes, you are right, but actually this is that, like that. The words, each and everything you use, each and every word you use with your children are very, very, very important. So, ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I generalize topic only I spoke. In my next video, I will come out with something very specific, how to encourage the children for building up their personalities. That this lockdown time is very very useful for doing such a kind of things. So I will meet you all in my third video with a new, means something special topic about how to look after the children in during the lockdown period. That's all. Till then, meet you all. Goodbye. Jai Hind.